summer or fall of 2025, the Nike Air Max Plus is emphasizing its cushioning package. We've discovered two upcoming grade school alternatives that share the same distinguishing feature after seeing pictures of a men's colorway with enormous tuned air writing. Tuned air technology transformed Nike's use of air when it was first applied to Sean McDowell's Air Max Plus in 1998. In the 1990s and the first part of the 2000s, a number of models carried on the tuned air heritage, and it's easy to see how the TN influenced models like the Air Max DN and Air Max DN8 today. The technology adds bounce and cushioning by shifting impact from the heel to the forefoot using two air chambers with varying pressures. The top of these grade school TNs has a lot of over-branding that is stenciled. With the help of transparent TPU overlays, the lateral side says tuned, while the medial side reads air. One colorway is available in black and wolf gray. The SRP is $145.